Welcome to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. Port Royal is our location for this week's episode. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, inviting you on this journey. Stay tuned. Big crowd, lots of vibes and excitement. It all went down at Red Stripe Crates, promoted by Marlon South and held at Fantasy Beach in St. Anne. We have all the highlights.
Crates ever loud. When you talk about crates, are the baddest in the week party in Jamaica and the world.
Why you say it's the baddest party?
If you notice, the people are out early and the people in my party, if you look at the bar is surrounded, the bartender need about 8 more and like an octopus.
Standout vibes for me tonight. Whole heap of hot girls. But not like, yeah, them look good tonight. So me I say, St. Anne girls, them come out, chill on the girls, them. Yeah, them look good, I swear.
And I love this crates, man. It's, the whole crates thing, it's, believe me, it's a thing that goes on every week, it gets everybody attention, and, just a thing that you look for every Wednesday where you can come and interact, and, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice, it's a good, good turnout, and I like it.
Crates is very nice, I enjoy it, because I might sound a play hyperactive. Very nice.
Crates are the baddest party on the north coast of Goers. Even though I'm not in it, but I'm here every night. One of the baddest party ever in St. Anne. Real promote, Heineken, Red Stripe. It's nice,
so we always come out at Crates every week, so we support the thing and them support your back. So Crates is a good event, can't lie. It's every week it things. Everybody look forward to come out every week to be a part of Crates.
Come again now. If you come here tonight and you're boring, you're not going to like that, son. All you know is the courts now look here, your landlord now look here for the rent, you don't want nobody. All of the pamper needs you move on a son, you know. Make the party. Everybody ready. I feel free.
I figure it was more likely a success because the turnout was wonderful. I was really grateful for the turnout, and everything kind of just went exactly how I actually expected. Well, a little bit better, I would say. But definitely, I enjoyed the party myself. Not being around, just making sure that I facilitate myself with the patrons them that actually I invited and persons that I wasn't even familiar with. But yeah, I did enjoy the party, and I felt like it was a success. With the success that we see this turnout, I'm looking forward to the next year because, of course, we're looking to the big and better things each year, Crates is basically a series of persons, promoters coming together and putting on a weekly promotion for themselves and making sure that giving the patrons them one of the best parties for that particular night. And yeah, it's actually every Wednesday night thing.
What the people ever know you don't walk and beg nobody down there. The people ever know you have your money. Why never touch me the money? Well on. No follow people me ever said. When you see this sexy body girl, them will never left them. If you don't like me, me don't like you. Well on. That's something. Oh, you're the one of the people.
And now it's time for our first commercial break. But before we go, let's check out this very important accident prevention tip, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back.
This accident prevention tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited. With the opening of 2 more highways in Jamaica, trucks and large vehicles will make use of the new thoroughfares. Here are a few tips on how motorists can share the roadways safely with these large vehicles and trucks. Buckle up. Safety belts reduce the risk of fatal injury by 45% and are a simple way to increase your safety on the road. Slow down. With the extra highway congestion, speeding becomes even more dangerous. Allow plenty of space between you and other vehicles and reduce your speed. Do not drive impaired. If you've had too much to drink, do not get behind the wheel. Do not cut in front of large trucks. Remember that trucks are heavier and take longer to make a complete stop. Therefore, avoid cutting quickly in front of them.